Hello and welcome. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can log out of ChatGPT so that no other person can access your account. So once you get to ChatGPT, you can identify that you are logged in from here, and this is your profile. So if you click on it, you can see your settings and the logout function. So if you are going to log in again later on this device, you can use this logout option and you should be able to get out. However, we have another option where you get a permanent logout on the device, and this is under settings. When you click on settings and come down here, you can see a function called log out of this device, and this will help you to completely log out of the device unless you want to log in afresh with your credentials. Then you will be able to do so later. So go ahead and tap on log out on this device and you should be able to log out of the device. And as you can see, we are now logged out. Next time, should you want to log in, you will have to go ahead and log in, and you can easily do this with your email address or with your Google account, and you should be good to go. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.